I realized that there's a couple of G codes that aren't shared anywhere on the internet. So what we have here is the LY Doosan typical. There's can cycles in here that nobody talks about, and I actually had to pressure the company to come out here and show me how to use them. So I'm going to attempt to share with you, the viewer. Let's see here. Let me get my camera adjusted. Okay, I got the light on. Yeah, that's very annoying. Okay, so I'm going to hold it at an angle. So basically, when you go, you need to set your tool up. You hit S1, go to tool management. Okay, this is one page that kind of helps you understand the direction. Now the other way to get there is you press this button. It takes you to your tool offset page. Now, tool number 2 is my external threading tool here, and see how I specified where the cutting edge is. Now you'll see I have other tools set up from when I did this last time, and we answer some technical questions as to what kind of tool it is. And once we have it set up, we'll go into edit, and then we'll press program, and here we go. We got our program. Now I'm going to page down until we find what we're looking for, and there it is, the touchscreen G1141. We're going to just tap that. No, we're not going to tap that. That's the other exciting thing. Okay, so when I hit input, I got the boom. Okay, and here you go. It's basically a conversational type of cycle, and you can toggle through, answer the questions, and you can specify. Now there's a couple, I didn't mean to do that. So I went over to this is inner threading. I went into detail. If I come over here, cut condition. So here's a staggered depth. It kind of shows you stag. So you got single A, both, stag A, stag. Yeah. Okay. Both. There's your stag D. And to me, I thought that would put less tool pressure on the threading tool. And that's how you get into it, okay? So I'm just gonna hit cancel. Now, right here, I got G1141, and see, it says threading inner. You can actually get your post processor to spit this out. This is our cutting method, and you can see how it just describes what each part of the can cycle, what variable, I believe that's what it's called. So, approach distance, and now you also have this right here, the G1462 ZX threading unify, and then we do the same thing. We just hit input, and now we're in, and then we get to specify certain things about that thread profile. Now the reason why I'm showing you all this is just to make things more confusing. But again, I couldn't find anything on the internet about this, and as you can see, I stage it. I got my M1 there. Now it says tool 9. No, we're not using tool 9. If you actually look right there, it was tool number 4. I did ID threading at 1000 RPM. Okay, turned on my main spindle with a P11, and then there's my XZ coordinates for starting. Then I did my can cycle, and then I sent everything home with a G28. Really simple, really awesome, and I would like to know more about this, and I'm hoping that somebody else will add to what we've got here. And there's other can cycles, and then especially with the live tooling, there's a can cycle for doing threads and also milling shapes. There's a lot of powerful tools in the Doosan control. The other fun thing is I can export this can cycle as a standard G&M code that we're used to, and it will load into another machine, which I think is pretty powerful. When you talk about having a machine that's capable of writing programs for your other machines. There you go. So I think we're going to keep that one short, 6 minutes. And good luck if you guys ever want to start digging in deep to your Doosan. These things are powerful. They've got a lot of amazing capability.